It is time to heal. It is time to let go of the past. You don't want your ex anymore. Your ex didn't really love you. Don't lie to yourself. Your ex was not healthy for you. Be grateful for having a new beginning. You deserve a better relationship with someone else. Let go of everything that makes you feel a connection to your ex. Commit now to being your best version of you and accomplish more in your life than would ever have been possible if your clingy ex was still around. Whenever you see your ex, turn around and run away as fast as you can. Your ex tried to make you feel as though you weren't good enough. But really, it was your ex who was not good enough for you. Don't take shit from your ex. Take the love that you felt for your ex and direct it towards yourself. Be confident. Believe in yourself. You can do this. I believe in you. Commit yourself to a better relationship in the future with a new improved partner. Your ex doesn't want to see you succeed because if you become successful, your ex will feel stupid. Your ex will then feel as though leaving you was a mistake of monumental proportions. Get out there right now and achieve massive success. You need people you can trust. Your ex cannot be trusted. Your ex never treated you properly. Your ex has an overinflated ego. Your ex is only going to hurt you. Your ex isn't going to change for you. Your ex never accepted you for who you are. Don't let your ex try to string you along and use you. Your ex is a bad person. Your ex is a dangerous person. Your ex never made you feel understood. You need to set boundaries. You need to stop blaming yourself. Your ex never felt the same way about you. Your ex doesn't care about what you are going through. Your ex wants to trick you into thinking that there is something wrong with you. Your ex is never going to change. No more fighting and arguing with your ex. Just let go. It's over and it is done. Your ex just wasted your time. Your ex doesn't love you. Your ex doesn't respect you. Your ex doesn't give a shit about you. You deserve a fulfilling life without your ex. Relax. Take some time to heal. Then, when you are ready, you can go out and meet new people. You are going to get through this. Everyone experiences a breakup. It is normal to go through this experience. It will make you a wiser and stronger person. Your ex is not thinking about you anymore. Your ex does not care about you at all. Your ex wants to trick you into blaming yourself for everything. Your ex always treated you like crap. You don't have to live like that. Don't let your ex hurt you anymore. You may be in a lot of pain right now, but in time, the pain that you feel is going to diminish. Your ex may have tried to gaslight you into thinking that you were the cause of the breakup. You feel abandoned and betrayed. You open yourself up emotionally to your ex. Look now at what your ex has done to you. Your ex lacks your level of empathy because your ex operates on a different vibrational frequency. Allow yourself to feel the emotional pain in all of its entirety. Don't hold back. Then, you can process these feelings and let go forever. You need to have no contact with your ex. Don't let your ex use you as a source of validation. Don't look up your ex on social media. Your ex no longer exists. Throw out any photos you have of your ex. Delete them from your electronic devices. You are going cold turkey from your ex. You must be willing to do whatever it takes to sever any connection to your ex. Forget about your ex. Do not be afraid to be alone right now. It is part of the healing process. Someday you will look back and you will realize that your ex was not healthy for you. You have a negative history with your ex. Make sure your ex stays away now. Your ex should feel ashamed. Do not be in a hurry to find a new love. Take time to heal. Someday you will realize that your ex leaving you was the best thing that ever happened to you. You are going to be happy again. Namaste.